According to our investigation, the perpetrators were gathered. They came from different places. Some of them from Mindanao. And may mga dumating dito as early as December to conduct casing and surveillance, to identify what is the particular mode of operation that they are going to launch for the attack of the governor. Yung iba, 2 days before dumating, no? Yung iba, 3 days before. So, they were gathered, they were briefed in a particular place, in a safe house, para when they have that opportune time, they will launch the attack. Actually, they were choosing, they have options kung anong gagawin. And on that fateful day, very tragic day, yun po yung time na nakita nila na best na i-launch yung attack, which resulted in the death of our dear governor and 8 others and the injury of 17 victims.